everybody, my name is Brooke and I am the oldest child in a family of 12, and today I thought we would do something a little different. So we don't really talk about our home a lot. We talk a lot about our homestead, about our gardens and that kind of stuff, but we don't really talk about our home a lot. And so today I thought we would share 5 things that you probably don't know about our house. So let's go inside. So our house is a humble work in progress, guys. There's a lot of unfinished stuff that you guys are going to see. When we bought this house, it was 1,200 square feet. But about 2 years ago, we actually added an addition on that was 1,800 square feet. And this meant that we actually had 2 sitting areas in our home, and most people don't realize that either, is that the addition has its own sitting area as well as the living room that was also on the house. And we have couches in both of these areas. It's actually really nice for when people are having multiple conversations. Normally one group can just take their conversation to another room. So because we have that addition, it actually is still unfinished. Even though it was built 2 years ago, it still does not have siding on the outside. It does not have floors, and the walls are just drywall. They have not been painted yet. We don't really have any trim in there either, so it is still an unfinished room that we do live in. Our house was all paneling on the walls when we moved in, and we've been slowly renovating all of the rooms from paneling to drywall. This has been a work in progress ever since we moved in. Next is one of our full bathrooms in our house actually is really weird setup. So this is a full bathroom with a shower, and it is like impossible almost to walk into. It is a crazy small gap. You open the door and there's the sink, and you have to actually walk around the sink to get into the bathroom. It's a super weird setup. And then last, the 5th thing that you guys may not have known about our house is that we have 3 refrigerators. The one is a side-by-side with a freezer, and then the other one has like the freezer on top, fridge on the bottom. And then we also have a stand-up deep freezer and a chest freezer. And part of the reason that we have all of these fridges and freezers is because when you're homesteading, you get a lot of your meat and your produce and stuff at once, and it's really hard to store if you only had one fridge. Before we were homesteading, I believe we had like 2 fridges and freezers, but now we needed a lot more freezer space. Let me know if you guys want to keep this series going, 5 things you probably didn't know about, and you fill in the blank. And don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe.